What's the meaning of bachelorette? Bachelorette. Bachelorette.
Bachelorette. Bachelorette. Bachelorette is a term used to refer to an unmarried woman who is typically in her 20s or 30s. It is the female equivalent of bachelor, which is a term used to refer to an unmarried man. Bachelorette parties are popular celebrations that are thrown for women who are about to get married. These events often include activities like going out to dinner, dancing, and drinking. The term bachelorette has become more commonly used in recent years, as more and more women choose to postpone marriage until later in life. Overall, the term bachelorette refers to a woman who is unmarried and potentially seeking a romantic partner.